You can chat with ChatGPT, and then when you're ready, you can say, yeah, that's great. Can you draw me an image of that?
Image generators nowadays, they look good, but it's going beyond just looking good. Attention to detail makes it really, really useful.
What's special about this is, one, it'll keep the context of this character, and then two, it'll understand what I'm trying to ask it for, and you will see it in different forms as we generate it.
You have the drawing like this, and ChatGPT will get back to you a real comic book.
It's really about communicating and imagining and doing so at the same time.
Make a transparent image, smart Asian researcher, blue t-shirt. It's easy.
Picture is worth 1,000 words, but being able to also render like a few words or symbols can carry like thousands of pictures.
It kind of now imbued into ChatGPT is like this idea of an artist in conversation with you.
Always amazing, even after seeing it for the 100th time.
I'm so excited to show this magic to the world.
Hopefully people love it.
Hello. I'm Alan. I'm a research scientist at OpenAI. People tend to say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but being able to also render like a few words or symbols can carry like thousands of pictures, with a relatively simple prompt, like visualize an infographic explaining Newton's prism experiment in great detail with a wide aspect ratio and a dark blue background. So this is like an example where, one, we're going to rely on being able to render text in useful ways, combine it with visual elements that actually ground what this text about this experiment even means, and hopefully, help students who are more visual learn both through, language descriptions of a phenomenon, but also, a visual imagination of what the experiment actually looks like. It's no longer just about making imaginary scenes that look aesthetic and things like that, but it's really about communicating and imagining and doing so at the same time.
How's it going?
Pretty good. One thing that I'm really excited about ImageGen is the ability to keep consistency in characters. I'm David Medina, or DMed, and I work on multimodal. What I want to show is one of my favorite prompts, which is, can you create a low poly penguin beach? Make it very, very low poly. Surprisingly, it's sometimes hard to get very good low poly outputs. It's not like other image generation models where it tries to generate something based on just the text. Instead, it uses the large language model understanding of what does the user want, what is the intent. I also like some board games, so miniature-like games. So what I'll do now is generate a miniature from this. So ideally, we'll see a penguin that looks like this with the same staff and a hat. So can you make me a realistic miniature as if a professional made this and painted it? This is what I think excites me the most about ImageGen. The other image generation models will try to create literally what you said. But what's special about this is, one, it'll keep the context of this character, and then two, it'll understand what I'm trying to ask it for and generate very similar model, but in a miniature realistic style. It infers what I want. I don't have to tell it every little detail. One other realistic thing we could do is, can you make a crystal version of this with light reflecting and very realistic? Again, I'm just giving a very, very simple thing. Normally, this is not enough for other models to generate something very detailed, but the model understands what I'm asking for. It'll think what type of style it should have. So this ability to really understand what the character is and make edits and understand what the user wants, for me, it's just an amazing capability.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, no worries.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. We're looking at an improved image generation in ChatGPT. It's really good at instruction following. My name is Kenji Hata, and I work on multimodal research here at OpenAI. There's a level of attention to detail that is just not captured by other models. The first thing I'm going to show is like 15 different objects, and each one of them has unique attributes that make it very different from all the other objects. An image containing one, a blue star, a red triangle, 3 green square, 4 pink circle, 5 orange hourglass, 6 purple infinity sign, 7 black and white polka dot bow tie, 15 different objects. And basically what this will show is that this image will just nail pretty much every single one of these objects that I've defined. Previous iterations, DALL-E, Imagine, things like that, they would probably get somewhere on the order of like maybe 5 to 8 of these at most. It nailed it all. With increased level of detail, you can just specify what you have in your mind to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will understand you better and then generate that image. And it'll be just a very direct mapping from what's in your mind to what you see on the screen. All these image generators nowadays, they look good, but are they useful? And like attention to detail makes it really, really useful.
Hello, thanks for inviting me.
Hi, thank you so much for coming. I'm so excited to talk to you.
Yeah, me too. I feel the ability of the image generation of this model is becoming stronger and stronger. My name is Lu. I'm a research scientist in OpenAI working on multimodal. Yeah, I'm showing a very interesting demo today. So just in this studio, this is something that we draw. Many people use our tool to generate comic books. So I'm going to upload this drawing to ChatGPT now. So I just type this prompt now and it starts to generate what will this drawing look like as a real comic. And many of the times, especially when you play with the model more and more, you'll find things very surprising. So I get this very funny comic now. I wanna replace this dragon with this cutie penguin. Yeah, it looks nice. I'm personally always very curious about is how does this look like in real life? It looks cute. I like it.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good. How's it going? My name is Jianfeng Wang. I'm a researcher in OpenAI working on multimodal. The way how to generate the transparent image is pretty intuitive, straightforward. Now let's give it a try. Let's say the content is a cute puppy, cartoon style, squared size. This is the prompt, and now let's see what happened. The model will take the input and tries to generate the image. Let's give it some time. So now let's see what we generated. This is the transparent puppy. Another application is to make it a sticker. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's make stickers.
We can easily overlay the transparent image onto any kind of background. Now we can copy the sticker onto our laptop and then we can paste it here. Make it smaller so it can be easily blended with the background.
Can you make me a sticker?
You sure?
A smart researcher wearing glasses and a blue shirt.
Okay. Let's give it a try.
Don't forget glasses.
Sticker style, yeah, with glasses. Oh, we got it. Yeah, I think it works pretty well. Hopefully people love it.